Hey, Gretchen Yui here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is on how to order LifeWave products. Now, I've done videos on this topic before. I'm doing it again because LifeWave has switched up their website slightly. Good improvements, in my opinion, very good improvements, but I want to make sure everyone's clear on how to do this. I do suggest that people start by using the Google Chrome browser. It just seems to work better with the LifeWave website. So get your Google browser up and in the address bar, type in www.lifewave.com/ and then the username of the person that you want to have sponsor you in placing the order. So I'm just going to put my name in there, Gretchen Uhe, GretchenUhe. This is my replicated website. You'll know if you're at the right person's website to start your order. If their name is up here in the upper left corner, it says you're shopping with, and it'll be that person's name or their company name. And then over on the right-hand side, you will want to make sure that you select your country. So say you're from Canada. You will scroll down to Canada and select that prior to shopping. If you are wanting to sign up and order product as a retail customer or a preferred customer, you are going to first go into this tab and click on Shop. And then we will show you in just a second how to proceed a little bit further into this. If instead you are wanting to order a brand partner enrollment kit and enroll as a brand partner or LifeWave distributor, you are going to instead go into Join. This is where the enrollment kits are, which are wonderful. So that's a whole other video that I have about those enrollment kits, but you will want to go in this area to do that. But again, retail customers, preferred customers, they'll go under Shop. Let's say you want our flagship product to start with, which is X39. You will click on X39 here, click on it again here, and you will see on this page that there are two prices for X39. There's the retail or the guest price, and there's also the wholesale price that our preferred customers get. Preferred customers do have to be on monthly subscription order. Our retail customers do not. That is the main difference. So we don't have to decide yet what we're going to do. We're just going to add it to the cart. And we're going to add one more item. So we're going to go over here to the shop again. I'm going to add Eon. Now, Eon is our #2 best-selling product. Love that patch. And it's under the YH product line. So we'll go in there. It's a royal blue color. There it is. It's pronounced Eon, but it's spelled AEON. We'll click on that. And again, it will have the retail price and the wholesale price, but we're just going to add it to the cart for now. We don't have to determine yet what we want to be, retail or preferred customer. Okay, now we're going to click checkout, or we could click, let's view cart first. We're going to view cart. Okay, so here it tells us in the cart that we've built that if we want to save $60 on this order, we need to become a preferred customer. And when we click that, we see the retail, preferred customer, and preferred customer plus program options. Okay, so that's good to know that that's there. Now, if you had instead clicked checkout, it would give us these 3 options automatically. And there's something else on that cart thing. You could go to this. It's going to say you want to save the $60, become a preferred customer. So this is really popular to become a preferred customer and just go ahead and get on a monthly subscription, because most people know that X39, you want to give that, be consistent in using it and give it at least 3 months to see what it can do for you. And if you notice a shift in your wellness. So this is really popular, and so is PC Plus. For an example, I am just going to select the PC Plus program, Preferred Customer Plus. Again, these folks get for $19.95 an annual fee. They get free samples for the first 6 months. And they also are part of something called a share program where they get credits on those they refer to LifeWave and who place orders. So I'm going to click on that. And you'll see here that the annual membership fee is added to this and that all of the pricing came down to the preferred customer pricing. So pretty simple. Now, if you decide at this point, oh, I don't want to do preferred customer because I am not interested in being on a monthly subscription order, you can go up here, shop as a guest instead, and you can click that and then click under guest and it switches it up. It has the pricing again for what it would cost to pay whole retail price. But again, okay, I'm going to change my mind again. It's just great. They've made it so that no matter how many times people switch their mind and they want to see the difference in pricing, they can go back and forth. So you want to save $60, become a preferred customer. So we're going to do that. Now this time we're going to do just a regular preferred customer. Let's see what happens there. So when we do that, it quickly changes to the wholesale pricing, and you'll see there is no extra, like there's no annual fee just to be a basic preferred customer. But they will not get the samples for 6 months or be benefit from other people coming and joining from their referral. So let's say that's what we've decided to do. We're going to check out. Now, at this point, you are not already a customer or brand partner, so you don't have to worry about that side. You're going to go here and you're going to create an account. And once you fill out this basic information and submit that registration, you're going to come back to a page that gives you the option of adding products to an auto ship. You have to have at least one product on auto ship for the following month for this order to actually go through. So since I'm not going to fill all that out, I'm just going to give you an example of X39. I can go back to that. And here I can add it to the monthly subscription order. So now when I go into the cart and view the cart, I have on the top the basic order as a preferred customer. And then down here, I have the auto ship order. And along the way, it will ask you, to confirm the date that the first auto ship goes out, not this order, but the auto ship. And you'll continue, and the rest should be self-explanatory. So please look below. My email is there. If you want to speak to me or have any questions, please email me. I get back to everyone. And please give me a thumbs up if you got something from this video. And subscribe to my channel because I have more information coming about all things LifeWave, and follow me on my little journey. I thank you for watching, and I hope this was helpful.